Thank you for purchasing our Garden Republic Bonsai Bonanza Seed Starter Kit. We've provided everything you need to get started, including a set of 4 burlap pots, 4 plant markers, 4 seed packets, 4 soil discs, 1 pair of shears, and an instruction booklet. Before planting, soak 10 of each variety of seeds in hot water for 16 to 24 hours. Save the remaining seeds in case you have trouble with germination. Use the bamboo plant marker to write down and mark each seed variety. Next, place the soil discs in a large bowl. Pour 2 cups of hot water directly over the soil discs. Add more water as necessary, but do not oversaturate the soil. Prepare your workspace by placing the burlap pots on a tabletop, or use the wooden gift box to hold all 4 pots inside. Overly saturated soil may cause mold, so drain the soil well by firmly squeezing it to remove any excess water until the soil is just slightly moist as you transfer it to the pot. Next, gently place the soil inside each pot until it is almost full. Put aside a small amount of soil for covering the seeds. Sprinkle 10 seeds per pot, leaving room around each seed. Cover the seeds with about 1/16 inch from the soil you set aside. Gently even out the soil to make it flat and firm, but do not compact it. Make sure to mark each pot with the provided plant markers. Place your pots near sunlight, but not in direct sun. Your seeds should sprout in a few weeks. See the included instruction booklet for germination times and next steps. Garden Republic. Growing made simple.